guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is I found this tray at the Dollar General, and I think I paid $5 for it. It was unfinished. I've painted it, and now I found a design online that I want to take and make a sticker with it out of my Cricut, okay? So if you don't have a Cricut and you're not interested in this video, I hate to see you go, but I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for a Dollar Tree DIY, okay? So I already have Design Space loaded here on my canvas, so I'm going to go to New Project, the circle with the plus. That will put it on our canvas, and I will leave a link for that free image, and it is free to download in the description box below, okay? I've already uploaded mine, so I'm going to go over here on the left-hand side and click on Images, and then I'm going to click on Ownership, Uploaded, okay? And this is it. It's just so springy, summery. I love it. So farmhouse, okay? And we're going to do a print then cut. So when I click on it, it'll put a green box around it. Then we're going to go to the right bottom corner, Insert Images, click on that. Now this is going to come in very large, okay? And I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so that we can see, okay? And then I'm going to zoom in so you can see, okay? So with your Cricut, you can do a print then cut that is 6.75 wide by 9.25 high, and that's what I want to do. So this is still too big, so I'm going out from size, unlock that little lock, and I'm going to put in 6.75 for the width and 9.25 for the height, and lock that back. And that is so simple. Now if you look over here in the layers column, it says print then cut. So we're going to go to make it right top, then we're going to go to continue right bottom corner. Okay, I'm going to send it to my printer. Okay, I'm going to leave the bleed on, and I'm going to hit print. So I'm going to set my Cricut to, I'm going to browse all materials, and I'm going to look for vinyl. I'm going to go right here in the search all materials box, type in vinyl, and I have printable vinyl, and I'm going to click on that and click done. And I think I'm going to add more pressure, and then the next time you see me, we will be cutting this adorable project out. Okay, here is my little tray, and it was just plain unfinished. Like I said, I think it was $5 at the Dollar General, and I just painted it and distressed it somewhat the color that I wanted. And I used the Waverly chalk paint in Plaster, and then I distressed it with the Hazelnut Waverly chalk paint. Okay, today we're going to be using the Silhouette Printable Vinyl. Now you have to load it shiny side up. I always write this up here because sometimes I can't remember. You'll see this side is pretty shiny and this side is not that shiny right here. So in my computer, you need to test yours. In my printer, I have to load mine with the shiny side up so it will print out on the correct side. You can also use the Avery shipping labels. I'm just out, okay? And here's our design, and like I said, I'll put the link in the description box for this free image. I think this is going to look so farmhouse, so spring and summer. You could use it for a serving tray, or you could use it just to decorate in your house, just for decor, okay? So I have my light grip mat, and we're just going to put this right on here like this. And Maggie was in here with me, but she has left the building. Okay, we're going to put this right in there, and we are going to hit the blinking arrow to insert and the blinking C to cut, okay? So this should be really cute when it gets finished. So I'll just go ahead and fast forward through this, and then when this gets finished cutting, right now it's reading the registration marks, I'll be back and we'll apply this. it's finished. Now I'm going to hit the blinking arrow to eject. Now what I need to do now is carefully peel this off, and we've made like a sticker. That's how I make my planner stickers when I did my planners. And this just has little delicate items, so we have to be, maybe I'll take it from the bottom, might be better. We'll just start peeling away from the bottom. But like I said, you can use printable vinyl or the Avery sticker labels. Either one work nicely. You just have to be really careful when you're starting to get in this intricate part. Okay, that is what we have. Is that not adorable? Oh my gosh, that would be pretty on a tote bag, and just use a different type of vinyl. Okay, so what I want to do is figure out where I want this, and you could embellish this more. I'm going to put this about right here. And then just press this down. Now I think I will seal this with some Mod Podge in case any water, like if I've got a drink on there. I don't know if I'm going to use it to serve with outside, or if, but I think I will put some Mod Podge over it to protect it and seal it. But that's how it turned out. It's lovely. That is so sweet. If you would see that out, you'd pay a lot of money for it. Now, I could have got it down a little further, but you could always, if you wanted, put jute rope around in here. I just think this is so sweet. If you would see this out, you would pay so much money for this. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, like I said, for a Dollar Tree DIY. But this is going to just look lovely in my decor, and it's very beginner friendly. So until next time, bye guys.